Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and Chef Kranti Talwar. Extreme summer is here. Mercury levels are on rise day by day. Often at such times, people are suffering from acidity, heartburn, bloating, and there are various reasons for it. For example, people who overeat, who do junk food eating, or people who don't eat for a longer period of time. When we eat at parties and weddings, there are pregnant ladies suffering from acidity. Then there are women who are suffering from PMS, or there are people who overdrink the previous night and the next day they have heartburn and acidity. And we look for answers as to what to eat to soothe ourselves. Now there are plenty of options in Indian food, of which one of them is the recipe that we shall be learning now, which is dahi poha or flattened rice that is soaked in yogurt and tempered with some herbs and spices. This dish has been known for a very long period of time. It's just that many of us were not aware of its benefits. And this dish is an excellent substitute for dahi rice because of its high fiber and iron content. Now poha is an excellent prebiotic. And what do you mean by a prebiotic? It helps to in the growth of probiotic bacteria, which comes from products like dahi. And probiotic is a living bacteria that is very good for your gut or your digestive system. So this dish combines both prebiotic and probiotic and gives you an excellent dish which suits your digestive system. Now apart from being a prebiotic, poha has benefits of iron, fiber, vitamin B complex. It is gluten free and it is low in calories. And when we add cashew nuts, peanuts and curry leaves to this, it also gives you benefits of calcium, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. I'm sure with this dish a lot of issues of heartburn, acidity will be solved. And for people who are lazy about even adding the tempering, even if you just have poha soaked in some yogurt with a tiny bit of green chili which is pounded, that also is enough to soothe your stomach. So without any further ado, let's just get cooking. For 2 servings of dahi poha, you need 1 bowl of poha, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 cup curd, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies slit in the middle, 1 sprig of chopped curry leaves, 1 teaspoon peanuts, 5 to 7 cashew nuts, 2 sprigs of chopped cilantro, 2 teaspoon oil and a pinch of hing. If using thin poha, wash and soak it for 5 minutes. If using thick poha, it takes 10 minutes to soak. Add some curd to your poha. Now add some salt as per taste. Add sugar, which is optional. Mix well and set it aside for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a tempering pan. Now add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add your cumin seeds and urad dal. Add in the cashew nuts and the peanuts. Split green chilies and some curry leaves. Add just a pinch of hing or asafoetida, mix it well and let the nuts brown a little bit. Now add your tempering to the dahi poha, mix it well. I had forgotten to add cilantro or coriander earlier, which I am going to do now. For this, I'll just saute chopped cilantro in a very little bit of oil and I shall mix this together with the dahi poha. Your dahi poha is ready to serve now. You have to eat this instantly, and if you wish to keep it for an hour, add a little extra dahi. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe now and please hit the like button if you like this video.